RecTeq DualFire is a powerhouse designed for serious pitmasters who demand versatility and precision. But to truly unlock its potential, you need more control, better airflow, and effortless access to your cooks. That's why we created the Pimp My Grill patent-pending slide-out rack system, the ultimate upgrade to unleash your grill's potential. More cooking space, better results. This multi-level slide-out rack system maximizes your cooking area, giving you more room without sacrificing airflow or smoke circulation. Elevate your food into the prime convection and smoke zone, ensuring deeper flavor, crispier bark, and juicier results. Effortless slide-out convenience. No more awkwardly reaching over hot grates. Each rack smoothly slides out, giving you total control over basting, wrapping, and flipping your food. Our fully removable design lets you adjust your setup for larger cuts or different cook styles. Heavy-duty American craftsmanship. Built from high-quality carbon steel, these racks season over time just like cast iron, creating a naturally non-stick surface. The diamond pattern grates don't just look great, they provide better heat distribution and bold sear marks. RecTeq will be the first to tell you that drilling holes in your grill will void the warranty. That's why our patent-pending design is held in with pressure bolts. Not only does it install in minutes, but is completely non-invasive to your grill. Finally, our low-profile design leaves plenty of room to remove your grease tray and access your fire pot without removing the brackets. And if capacity is your thing, how does 12 racks of ribs or 16 tri-tips or over 150 wings sound? And if you need extra room, remove a rack in seconds to fit larger cuts like whole briskets or pork butts. Your DualFire was built for big cooks. This rack system unlocks its full potential. Serious barbecue deserves serious upgrades. Take full control over your RecTeq DualFire with the Pimp My Grill patent-pending slide-out rack system. Click the link below to start your journey today to bigger and better barbecue. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy grilling.